So from here, the legs are available to me. And so from here, well, now this will be a squat. If I'm upper body, he's going to catch the cane. He'll reach up and grab it and take it away from me. But if I go down to lower, right? So come along here, that might hurt. Here may hurt. Here. Now you're coming with me. And so she could do here, what else could she do? She can run through my legs. So,
Yeah.
with a squat there, right? And she'll step into that so you get some good leverage. And you want the tip. If she hits me from clear up here, right? Some of the momentum is lost here. More momentum, the more she gets back to here. And don't come up, you can miss it altogether, right?